Hello everyone, my name is Simon. Welcome to OS DevHub. So today I'll be showing you an application I worked on which is called Elitepay. Like the name suggests, it's an e-commerce website, and it's an e-commerce website for the Elite, right? So if you have um, some cash that you want to spend on good products, right? So this platform is right for you. Good and quality products with seamless payment system and process, right? So let's take a look at this website. So for starters, this is the landing page, and we have the navigation bar, we have the hero section, we have elevate your online shopping experience, we have browse our products, our exclusive gallery. So these are the key features we focused on when building this application, or when I was building this application. These are the key features I focused on. Elevate your shopping experience, secure sign-in process, enhanced data protection, seamless carts functionality, secure payment processing, robust testing protocols, join LITB and all that. So our satisfied customers, we have our contact us bit. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. We have our footer, right? So this is our navigation bar, where if you click on this, you go to our product. If you click on this, you go to about us, support, right? Sign in, register, you can log in, create new account, and then this is the cart. So let's delete things that are in the cart because we'll come back to it. So this is our product, right? So our product, let's see what products we currently have, right? So we have just some shoes, some shirts, some phones, and a wristwatch. So we're going to add more products. So yes, that's right. There's an admin page to add products to this application, right? So it's the admin that manages all the products you see there. So the admin can edit, the admin can delete products, the admin can increase the count and all that. So let's go to description. So let's see this product. So this says this is a pair of white shoes. You can add this to cart. The item name, which is shoe one, the price, which is the correct price, and then the quantity. So what we have currently here, we have one. So we could increase this to 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, the more it increases, the more the price changes. So it calculates based on the price. So let's add this to cart. So that has been successfully added. Then it takes us back to the product to see if we still want to shop. So let's say we want to get this t-shirt, right? Takes us back here. So the t-shirt is £10. So let's see that we can add, let's say we want 3. So let's just say that is 3, right? So let's go to cart. So remember, we are not signed in, or we haven't registered, right? So when we proceed to checkout, it says you would need to log in to proceed to checkout, right? So let's click OK. So it takes us to our sign in, but because we haven't signed in yet, so let's go to some sign up. Yes, let's go to sign up. So let's just sign up. Simon, let's use Peter, and let's use email. Simon Python 100 at Gmail. So let's use a random number. The address, we're going to use, let's just use Lekki phase 1 as the address. Then the postcode, let's just use a random postcode. Password, we're going to use 1 for password. Confirm password as 1. And let's submit. So once we submit, it takes us to OTP sent to your email successfully. So it takes us to this page where we are to input our OTP. So let's get our OTP from our email, right? So we're going to do this, copy, come back here, paste the OTP, and then we submit. So it tells me OTP verified successfully. So it means that we are signed in now. So as you can see, the navigation bar is different because we are signed in. So we have the ability to go to my account and see where we have our details, and we can update our details. We can also update our password, right? So let's go back to our cart system and let's proceed to checkout. So because we have signed in, we can now proceed to checkout. So we have our name, we have our address. So as you can see here, you have our address. So we can also say we want to change our address. So let's change this to 2. So it's going to be Lekki Phase 2. So let's update this. So once we update this, we can click to proceed. As you can see, it has been updated. So our address is no longer Lekki Phase 1, it's now Lekki Phase 2. So if we click proceed, right, it's going to tell us that we need to choose a method of delivery. So what it's basically saying is, are we going to pick it up or we want a dot delivery? So we want to pick it up. If you see, when we choose pick up, this delivery fees changes. So it changes to 0. Then if we choose dot delivery, it changes to 50. Choose pick up, changes to 0. So let's see pay with card. So if you still click on proceed, it's still going to tell you to choose a payment option. So we're going to choose pay with card. So proceed. So as you can see, it has taken us here. So we're going to see the details. These are the details of this. And we're going to choose pay now. So once we choose pay now, it takes us to the payment gateway. So we're going to just use random name or random figures because this is a dummy data. So we're going to choose this. So this is not my actual card. Disclaimer, I'm not going to use this card. It's not my actual card also. So we're going to click on pay. So when I click on pay, it says processing, and then it tells me, okay, yes, I didn't do this. So I need to put this correctly. So it tells me, no, I do not want to save that because it's not an actual card. So successfully paid, right? So another feature I would also want to show you guys is, let's log out. I also want to show you that in case you forgot your password, right, you can retrieve it. So I'm going to put my email, right, and I'm going to click on submit. So it has sent me my OTP, right? So it tells me to put, so we're going to go back. So this is the new OTP that I just sent for me to, so it tells me I have 5 minutes for me to retrieve my password or put a new password, right? So OTP verified, right? So it takes me to my new password. So then I can change my password. Remember, my password was 1. I'm going to add 1, 2. Confirm password 1, 2. So let's see. Successfully changed password, right? So then I can now sign in. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to sign in. I'm going to use 1, 2. So that works perfectly fine. So I've signed in again, right? So let's do a quick dive into the admin. So these are all the products that are currently in our platform, Elitepay. So we can delete, we can update, and we can add new products. So let's say we want to delete. So currently now we have this product. Let's say we want to delete this gene, right? Or first of all, let's update it and then let's delete it. So let's update it. So we just want it to be gene, right? We just want it to be gene. So we're going to do this and we're going to confirm that this is the image we want. We're going to confirm this is the image we want. We've chosen that image. We're going to update that. So remember, we are updating. So it says success has been updated to gene. So let's see that. As you can see, it has changed from blue gene to gene, right? So let's go back and let's say we want to delete. We do not want this anymore. So it asks me, do I want to delete permanently? And then I say, okay. And then I delete it. And then I go back I need to refresh. So once I refresh, voila, it's gone. So let's add that particular product back. So let's go to add product, right? So let's say we want jean, choose category is going to be clothing. The price is going to be 20, stock, let's use 30. Let's choose an image. Let's write this is a blue jean, right? So let's add that product. Successfully added, right? Successfully added. So we can go back and check if, you remember we haven't refreshed yet, so we can go back and check if it has been added. Voila, it has been added. So basically, this is how the admin can manage the products that are being added on the main site. So this is all about Elitepay. The system is seamless. The process is seamless. Everything is seamless and it's easy to use, right? And is user friendly. So thank you very much for your time. God bless you.